Let wake up Mom and Dad.
Ugh. You are late, Anna. The clock woke up us before you.
Good morning, sleepyheads. Get ready for our adventure today.
Good morning, Watson family. Let's head to the bus for our trip.
Good morning, Javier. You go to the bus first, we will follow you.
We are going to explore this rainforest today. It has many beautiful animals and scenes.
We are ready.
Here we come, rainforest. We will meet the animals on the whole trip. I will help you learn all about them.
Wow, I'm so excited. And I want to meet all new animals here.
Here come the waterfall. The water here is so clean that every animals come here to drink.
Wow, what a view! We should come there once during the trip.
The water follows the river to the ocean, and big animals also drink water here too.
Look at that, Anna. This is a nice place to stay for a camping.
Wow, these mountains are so big and beautiful.
Here we come, the first destination of our trip.
Stay together, everyone.
Oh.
Look up. There is a surprise up here on the tree.
This sloth is a three-toed sloth. Look at him sleeping, very peaceful.
Wow, no wonder it has 3 toes each foot.
It's so slow, but it's also so cute. Mom, do sloths ever fall down when they are sleeping on the tree?
I hope not. No one want to fell off when sleeping.
Time for a little break. Drink water. We still have a long trip.
I'm hungry for this. It's time for cookies. This is so crunchy and tasty.
Whoa! What are those? There are so many of them.
Oh no, my cookie!
Honey, come and help her out of there.
Okay, leave it to me.
It's okay. They will not hurt us. And they just want some food.
It's okay, Anna. Feed them, and I will buy you more cookies when we are back to the city.
It's okay, sweetie. They just wanted a snack.
I'm so sorry about that, and
I should let you rest in the safer place.
Here we come. A safer place to rest. Enjoy.
Come and enjoy my treat.
Oh, wow. Woo, that's so kind of you.
Yay! We have banana pancakes.
We are glad to come here.
5 stars, indeed.
Wow, I was hungry. This is incredible.
This fruit is so refreshing out here.
Yeah, look what I caught with my chopsticks.
That's so kind of you. Thank you. You are welcome.
Next up, the waterfall.
Yay! I'm so excited.
It's okay, Anna. I'm right here.
Mom, look at that! A rainbow!
This is beautiful.
You are right. Coming here is a right choice.
It's magical! It's also so cool here! I love this place!
Here is it. This is a red-eyed tree frog. It usually lives around the river or waterfall.
Wow! It's the most beautiful frog I have ever seen!
Be careful, Anna. Don't stand too close.
Over here, there is a surprise of this place.
They are so colorful! They also have big beaks!
And this is the signature of peace here. The Quetzal birds cannot be kept in a cage.
Wow, look like it likes you.
I have never seen this bird before. It's gorgeous!
Look over here. This is a capuchin monkey, and it is the biggest fruit lover in this forest.
It's nice to meet you, fruit lover. I am cookie lover.
We've walked a lot today. Take a rest, Anna.
Are you tired, sweetie? Do you need any drink or cookie?
Mom, look! Fireflies!
Wow. They're like tiny stars.
This is the big tree where fireflies come from.
It looks like a fairy house for fireflies.
This forest is truly magical at night.
Nature is a gift. This place is also the last location of our trip today.
It's time to head back. Enjoy your evening. Goodbye, Watson family. Thank you for the amazing day, Javier. Goodbye.
Today is the best day ever, Dad.
You are right. I feel the same.
We are going home tomorrow, Anna. Make sure you pack everything up.
Oh, I still want to explore more, and I don't want to leave so soon.
It's okay, Anna. We will come back here someday. We will also bring Tom with us next time.
That's great! At that time, I will be his personal tour guider. Goodbye! Goodbye, Costa Rica!